Hello, my dear English learners. Welcome back to Fluent Core English. I'm Gwen, and I'm really, truly happy you are here with me today. Before we start, I just want to say something to you. If you practiced with me yesterday, even a little, even for a few seconds, I'm proud of you. Because most people, they watch, they understand, but they never speak. And you showed up. You used your voice. And that is where real change begins. Yesterday, we worked on confidence, not perfect grammar, not difficult words, just the courage to speak. Because the truth is simple and maybe a little uncomfortable. If you don't speak, English will always stay trapped inside your head. You will understand everything, but you won't be able to say anything. And I know that feeling hurts. When someone asks you something, and you know the answer, but your voice doesn't come out. You just smile, or say, or stay quiet. And inside, you feel frustrated. Like, why can't I speak when I already understand? If you have ever felt this, then stay with me, because today we are fixing the real problem. Today is day 2 of your 5-day speaking journey. And today we are working on something that silently stops your speaking, something most learners don't even notice. Thinking in English. Let me ask you honestly, when someone speaks to you in English, what happens inside your mind? Do you first think in your own language, then translate, and then try to speak? And in that moment, does your mind slow down? Or worse, does it go completely blank? If yes, you are not alone. Almost every learner goes through this. But here is the problem. Translation is slow. And speaking needs speed. Your brain tries to build a perfect sentence, but before it finishes, the moment is gone. And you stay silent. Again, if this keeps happening, you will keep feeling stuck, no matter how many videos you watch. But listen carefully. This is not your fault. Your English is not weak. Your system is just wrong. And today, we change that system. Thinking in English is not about perfection. It's not about big words. It's about simple thoughts, in simple English. And slowly, your brain learns to respond without translating. This is where shadowing helps you. When you listen and speak immediately, your brain doesn't get time to translate. It starts reacting directly in English. Little by little, your hesitation becomes smaller, your confidence becomes stronger, and your voice starts to come out naturally, but only if you speak with me. Not in your head, not silently. Use your voice. Even if it feels slow, even if it feels uncomfortable, speak anyway. Good. Let's begin. Today, we will practice simple sentences. No pressure, no judgment. Just you and your voice. This is your safe space. Take a deep breath, relax your shoulders, and start with me. Speaking practice. Say it with me. I am learning to think in English. Even if I feel slow, I am learning. Again, I am learning to think in English. One more time. I am learning to think in English. Good. You are speaking. Don't stop now. Next. I think in English. Without translating. I don't wait. I just speak. Again. I think in English. Without translating. One more time. I think in English. Without translating. Next. I allow my thoughts to come in English, even if they are simple. They are mine. Again. I allow my thoughts to come in English. One more time. I allow my thoughts to come in English. Next. I do not translate every word. Translation slows me. Speaking frees me. Again. I do not translate every word. One more time. I do not translate every word. Next. I trust my English thoughts. Even when I feel unsure, I still trust myself. Again. I trust my English thoughts. One more time. I trust my English thoughts. Next. Simple English is enough. I don't need perfect. I just need to speak. Again. Simple English is enough. One more time. Simple English is enough. Next. I speak without overthinking. I don't wait for perfect words. I speak what I know. Again. I speak without overthinking. One more time. I speak without overthinking. Good. This is the shift. You are not just listening anymore. You are speaking. And this is how fluency starts. Stay with me, because next, you will speak faster, in real situations, without freezing. Don't stop here. I am training my brain to think in English. Again. I am training my brain to think in English. One more time. I am training my brain to think in English. Excellent. Keep going. Your brain is slowly getting used to this. Right now, it may feel slow, but something is changing inside you. You are not translating anymore. You are starting to think. And that is exactly what we want. So don't stop now. This is the most important moment. Stay with me and speak out loud. Next. I focus on communication, not perfection. I don't need perfect grammar. I just need to express myself. Again. I focus on communication, not perfection. One more time. I focus on communication, not perfection. Nice. Remember this. Communication always matters more than perfection. Next. My confidence grows every time I speak, even if it's a small sentence. I am growing. Again. My confidence grows every time I speak. One more time. My confidence grows every time I speak. Excellent. Each sentence you speak is building your confidence. Yes, even now, right now. Next. I give myself permission to speak simply. I don't need to sound advanced. Simple is enough. Again. I give myself permission to speak simply. One more time. I give myself permission to speak simply. Great. Simple English is powerful English. Next. I do not need perfect grammar to communicate. People understand me, and that is enough. Again. I do not need perfect grammar to communicate. One more time. I do not need perfect grammar to communicate. Amazing. Your message matters more than perfect grammar. Next. I trust the learning process. Even if I don't see results today, I keep going. Again, I trust the learning process. One more time. I trust the learning process. Very good. You are moving forward, step by step. Next. My brain is adapting to English every day, little by little. It feels more natural. Again. My brain is adapting to English every day. One more time. My brain is adapting to English every day. Nice work. Your brain is becoming comfortable. Next. I focus on ideas, not translation. I think and I speak. Again. I focus on ideas, not translation. One more time. I focus on ideas, not translation. Great. This is how speaking becomes faster. Next. My thoughts are becoming clearer in English. I don't feel as confused as before. I am improving. Again. My thoughts are becoming clearer in English. One more time. My thoughts are becoming clearer in English. Excellent. You are training your brain naturally. Next. I allow myself to speak calmly and naturally. I relax and I speak. Again, I allow myself to speak calmly and naturally. One more time. I allow myself to speak calmly and naturally. Wonderful. Trust your voice. Next. I stay patient while my fluency grows. Even slow progress is real progress. Again. I stay patient while my fluency grows. One more time. I stay patient while my fluency grows. Perfect. Fluency grows slowly, but it grows every day. Next. Every practice session makes me stronger. Every minute matters. Even this one. Again. Every practice session makes me stronger. One more time. Every practice session makes me stronger. Nice! You are building something real. Next. I notice my sentences becoming easier. I don't struggle like before. I feel change. Again. I notice my sentences becoming easier. One more time. I notice my sentences becoming easier. Great. Your brain is learning automatically. Next. I am building a habit of thinking in English. This is not practice anymore. This is becoming natural. Again. I am building a habit of thinking in English. One more time. I am building a habit of thinking in English. Excellent. Habits create fluency. Next. My mind is becoming more flexible. English feels easier, day by day. Again. My mind is becoming more flexible. One more time. My mind is becoming more flexible. Nice. You are improving more than you think. Next. I stay relaxed when I speak English. I breathe and I speak. Again. I stay relaxed when I speak English. One more time. I stay relaxed when I speak English. Good. Relaxed speaking sounds natural. Next. I focus on the message I want to share. I don't focus on mistakes. I focus on meaning. Again. I focus on the message I want to share. One more time. I focus on the message I want to share. Great work. Communication is about sharing ideas. Next. I am learning to express myself with confidence. Even if I feel nervous, I still speak. Again. I am learning to express myself with confidence. One more time. I am learning to express myself with confidence. Excellent. Confidence grows every time you speak. Next. My thoughts are becoming automatic in English. I don't force it anymore. It just comes. Again. My thoughts are becoming automatic in English. One more time. My thoughts are becoming automatic in English. Fantastic. You did it. You just completed day 2. Take a breath. And feel this moment. You didn't just watch. You spoke. And that is what most people don't do. Today, you trained your brain to think in English. And this is the real shift. Before, you were translating. Now, you are starting to think. Slowly, but powerfully. Every sentence you spoke was a step forward. Like a workout. For your brain and your voice. And yes, it takes time. But it works. If you practiced with me today, write in the comments, Day 2, done. Not for me. For yourself. To remind yourself, you showed up again. And that matters. Tomorrow, we continue with Day 3. And tomorrow, you will learn something exciting. Real expressions that native speakers use every day. So don't miss it. If this helped you, like the video and subscribe to Fluent Core English. And remember, you are not stuck. You are learning. You are improving. And you are doing better than you think. I'll see you tomorrow.